Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you how to make a simple presentation in Libre Office Impress. Libre Office Impress is just similar to PowerPoint only. It is used to make presentations. Here, first of all, let me introduce this. This is the main, the slide part where you work. The first slide. Left side we have the slide pane where we can see all our slides. Right side is the sidebar. At the top we have toolbars. Now this is the first slide. Let's take the topic pollution, the most common topic I am taking. A very simple presentation we'll be making, that is pollution. So let's type the topic pollution. When you type the topic, you can use any font, any color, any style for your handwriting. Like from the sidebar here you can check from the properties. From the sidebar here you can change the font, whichever font you want. Any font you want you can select from here. Like suppose if I take this Christian ITC, the size also we can change if we want. Suppose I take 48 size, little bigger. The color of the font we can change, any color which you like. I am taking brown color, and these are all other effects. Bold I can put, underlined if we want we can put. I'm not doing italics, like that. All these effects you can add from properties from the sidebar. Now click to add extra text. Here you can type your name made by I am writing my name. Sample a sample presentation made by Taranjindal. If you want you can add some backgrounds also. See, right now I have taken the plain background for this slide. Either you can take any templates which are given in the master slides. It comes in the master slides also, all the templates. Otherwise from the properties only we can take the background. See, background right now it is showing none. We can take any color, slide background, color, gradient, all these things we can take. Suppose if I take any color, different colors are available. Whichever color we want we can take. I am taking this one. Now we want next slide. For that, insert from slide, new slide. Now the next slide has come. In the heading we can write types of pollution. Basically the four main types we will be taking, that is air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land or soil, whatever you want to write. On the first slide itself, if you want you can put some picture also. Like here, see what I have done. I have downloaded some images from the internet. On the desktop I have made a folder named pollution. This is my pollution folder, and I have downloaded 5 pictures which I need for this pollution PPT. So the first one I am inserting here on the cover page. Now we can adjust the picture and this text according to our requirement. We can put this name on the side, and this picture we can increase the size and put it here. So this will be your first slide. Now second slide, types of pollution. Now one more slide, next slide we want, again go to slide, new slide. The third slide, suppose here we want about air pollution. Again, first picture we want, we can insert picture from air pollution, this one. So this we can put on the side. Now we want some information on air pollution. So either you can type on your own or you can check from Google. For simple information, air pollution. What is air pollution? See, air pollution is the contamination of indoor and outdoor environment. Any information, whatever you want, you can find from air pollution in simple words. Simple words. So this can be the air pollution definition. We can select it from here. Control C. Go back to your slide. Here insert a text box because we need to write the information. So we'll insert it here, and here Control V. So the complete information is there. We just have to adjust it now. After adjusting the text on the right side, we can again change its font and the color if required. From the sidebar properties, you can change the font, any font which you like, you can choose from here. Say this one. Then size also we can increase. Color of the font if you want. So like this. Now one more slide. Same way we'll make slides for all the other 3. That is 3 more slides we need. Air pollution is done. Now next is water pollution. Then noise pollution, and last one is land pollution. We'll find information of water pollution. Again we can Google it, water pollution in simple words. We can choose from here to here. I am showing you the simplest one, simplest way. You can write any other information which is given in your book, or what you know, or you find out better words, and then you can put here. If suppose direct we put the information, then information is taking the whole place, so we can just decrease its size so that we get space for picture also. Then this we can shift it on the left side, and then here we can insert a picture, insert image, water pollution picture we can take. Sorry, I put this on land, so we'll just change the heading. No problem, we can just change the heading. Here this can become water. Instead of changing the text and the information, we can change the heading, land. Now next we need information on land pollution. Land pollution refers to the deterioration of Earth's land surface at and below ground level. Full information we can type. Control C. Go back to the presentation. Control V. Again, we can just decrease the size little bit so that both the things fit together, picture and the text, and just shift it on one side so that we get picture, information, space for this is land pollution. Now we get enough space for picture and the text. This is our land pollution picture. Now last is noise pollution. Again, first of all, go to Google and information on noise pollution, and then copy that information. Control C, go back, come here and Control V. Change the size. It's not necessary that every time you put the information on the left side, you can put the information on the right side also. Let's put this time we put the information on the right side. Let picture come on the left side. Insert image, and this is noise pollution. Noise pollution picture is this one. So either you can, if you are using Windows 11 or even in Windows 10, directly you can take pictures. Online pictures are available. But if you are using any older version of Windows or then you'll have to first download the pictures and then choose from the folder like I have done. Now we have 5 slides. Only one slide we have colored the background. This is types of pollution: air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution and water pollution. If you want water pollution after air pollution, you can just shift it like this. If we see the slideshow, start from first slide. See, all the slides will come on mouse click. Now further effects, how we have to add animation, slide transition, background colors, masters, then different, how we can make presentation from different templates, that I'll be teaching you in further next videos. Right, this is the basic video, how to make a simple presentation. Thank you.